So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. So here we are presenting or we are discussing a topic. Ayush, what topic we are discussing?
Connection.
Connection. What topic we are discussing?
Importance of connection.
Importance of connections. Okay. So first you have to tell what is the connection. Then after you will tell what are the importance of connections. Okay. So just Ishita, just you have to let me know what are the connections.
Connection is a thing that it help us to communicate each other. There are many type of connections like social connection, strong connection, and social connection is a social connection can can provide sorry social connection can lower anxiety, depression, and strong connection can be provide us a sense of belonging, strong help.
Aradhya, what do you mean about connection?
So I think connection is a thing which connects us with the world around us. There are, as Rishika already told, there are many kind of connections. For example, social connection, physical connection. Social connection in which we can connect with a person through internet connection and through the social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And physical connection such as we are going to a supermarket and we met there a person and we slowly start meeting him or her daily, and we starts being be friend with them, and slowly they become our good friends. So these kind of connections are there, which makes us introduce with the public.
Okay, very good. Ayush, you tell me.
Yes, sir, I agree with Aradhya that she said that about physical connection. That physical connection are those connection that she said an example of it. So now I want to say that physical we can also add some more connect type of connection like mental connection, which as we know that sometimes our mental things got connected, got a similarity with someone. That is also called the mental connection. Thank you.
Okay. I am asking to you. So do you have any connection with your parents? Or which type of connections with your parents?
Yes, sir. As we know that each and every children have some similarities or mental similarities, like their parents. As we know that there are some type of chromosome that are present in a human that when children birth, the chromosome of the man and woman mix and got inserted in the children body. That shows us similarities of children. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Divyansh, so is there any connections with your parents?
So as I have a gene gene are those words that we gene are that we get from our parents, and genes are found genes are normally found in chromosomes, and chromosomes are found in nucleus. So nucleus, but genes is also important for us.
Yes, we are discussing about connections. Okay, now I'm inviting some other four persons. Okay, so other four persons I am inviting. First, Christy, Tejal, Harshit Agrawal, and Shivansh. Please come. So first, I am asking to Harshit. Harshit, what are the advantages of connection?
In my opinion, there are so many advantages of connections. Like we can improve our mental ability with connection. There are so many types of connection, like connection with our friends. If we maintain the connection with our friends, so we can share our problems with friends, and there are so many advantages of connection.
Okay, Shivansh. So do you think is there any disadvantages of connection also?
Yes, disadvantage of connection is we uh, we meet many peoples, and we don't mind in our work, and in proper way.
Your answer is not correct. So Christy, is there any disadvantages of connections?
Not a lot of, but I think there are some disadvantages. Just like when sometimes we tell some things to our very close person, or other and very close person. So first, when we tell them, so there is so many problem that if he tells others about your secrets, and that's another thing. And it also happens that when we had a lot of connection with other people, so we are with them, we are always with them, we are not able to focus on our work.
So Tejal, my next question for you: can we connect a stranger person easily, or can you connect a stranger person easily?
Okay, so according to me, no, we cannot connect easily with a stranger, because first we need to know about somebody. Like if somebody is a stranger, first we will ask something about them. If we don't have any knowledge about them, so we can't be connected with them. But sometimes we connect easily with some people because they are very polite and they have good behavior.
Actually, sometimes some persons show their behavior just like they show their polite behavior in front of you, but you don't know the actual behavior of that person. So in that case, or so how can you manage, Harshit?
In that case, I will manage it that if I find any person that is very who is very politely and talking in a good manner, so first I should know about them, because some peoples show politeness, but they are not actually polite. They only shows to connect with us. If we not know about them, if we not know about them, that where does he belong, and all, so we should not connect with them. First we know about all things of them.
So just I want to ask to Shivans. So can you share your personal connection with all of us?
No, we cannot share personal fact connection with all of us, he because we don't know, we don't know other person, we don't know a stranger, this stranger is good or not.
Okay. So my next question for Christy, just if you want to make a new connection, okay, but you have already some connections, so means how can you manage? You have some connections already, but your thinking is that means I have to create, or I have to make a new connections.
So first, I like so much that I can make new connections with other people, and know them and know more about them. So I will not do that. That normally I am saying hi and then we came in connection. I always first ask them, and first I identify how they are talking, in the manner how they are talking. So I first I will recognize how they are talking. If they are talking very politely, so of course I will have a connection with them. And first I will, as I told soon also, that I will first I will know them properly also.
Just you can go both. Pardi. Okay.
Sir, as you told that we cannot connect easily with someone if somebody is talking politely. But if somebody is talking politely and somebody is not good, like she told that if somebody is talking politely, so we can be connected with them. So first we need to know about them very well, and first we need to check them, are they really true or not, then we can connect with them.
You are saying right. Actually, first we have to develop a connection. After that, we can remove our connection also. Okay. My next question to Sri. So just you are a student of ninth class. So can you please let me know which type of connections do you have?
I'm having some connections like social connections with my friends, and I'm also some having the different connection like physical connection. I am also going to do my physical activity to make them better also, and social connection are also help me in different way. Thank you.
You are telling wrong. Physical connection is that actually when we are meeting people or persons directly. So that's then in that case we are calling that case these are physical connections. Social connections is that actually we are connecting by the help of some applications or just like social media. Yes, Harshit. So do you have any social connections?
No, sir, I don't have any social connections, but I have.
Actually in the era of modern or in the era of 21st century, so you don't have any social connection, so how can you survive in this world?
But sir, it is not necessary for me that I have a social connection, because I am not a elder. I am just 13 years old, so I don't require any social connection.
So you don't require any social connection means your parents don't allow. Okay, Shamyak. So do you have any social connections? So tell me about your social connections.
I have a social connection that is application, and mostly I used to watch YouTube videos like gaming videos and all.
So you can connect with your applications like gaming and all. Okay. Just Paridhi, do you have any social connections or which type of connections do you have? Just let me know.
So, sir, I have social connections with my friends and with my cousins and maternal uncles. Like, we are not able to meet them physically because as they live far from us. So, we have social connections, and it is very important nowadays because every person wants to talk with their brothers, sisters who live far from them. So it is very important, and I have physical connections with my mother and father because as I live with them, so I have physical connections with them.
My next question for Purvi. So do you like to talk with your relatives?
Yes, I like talk with my relatives. Sometimes he or she come in my house, so I talk with him.
Sometimes actually. So do you have any social connections, Purvi, on Facebook, Instagram?
Connection. I cannot be. Don't watch mobile.
If you don't use mobile, okay. Next I'm inviting Kush. You can go to your seat. Kush, Arnab, Siddharth, and Garv. Please, you can go back your seat. So Kush, I'm just asking to you. Please come here. So which type of connections do you have, or is there any disadvantages? What do you think about it? What type of connections do you have, or is there any disadvantages of your connections? Please let me know.
Sir, basically, I have some social connections and some family and relation connections. And if I am talking about some disadvantages of social disadvantages of connections, so social connections. So there are many advantages like someone can hack our phone's email or ID and etc.
So, Garv, which type of connections do you have? Just let me know the 5 advantages of connections. What type of connections do you have?
Um,
5 advantages of connections.
Connects. I talk to each and every person, and
This is the first advantage.
Yes. I
So do you know means how many advantages of connections, or means just let me know 5 advantages of connection.
if we have connections, so we can talk with them, and in feeling sad, we are with them. We can't alone.
Yes. Types of. Arnav, so do you have any example of connections of advantages? Advantages of connection?
Yes, we can have
Advantages.
advantages of connection, like we talk with them, and we can talk with mobile phones.
You can talk. Just see, just listen. Yes, Kush want to say.
Sir, there you are saying that tell me 5 advantages of connections. So first is internet connection, that by which viewers are seeing this video, and second is social connection.
Actually, you are telling about the types of connection. I'm just asking you what are the advantages of connections. So is there any persons who will tell the 5 advantages of connections? So please come here and tell me. Yes, Aradhya, please come here. Yes, you can go back your seat. Yes, you can go back your seat. And any one persons who have 5 disadvantages of connections, so please come here. Yes, Paridhi.
So the 5 advantages of connections are, first is we can build our image, and we can be introduced to someone, and slowly we spread this, and everyone get to know us. Second one is that if we talk to someone, so we are having that much energy, and we are getting slowly the confidence, so that we can talk to someone, and in front we can also talk to someone. Third one is if we are having any physical connection, so it encourage us to go outside, to look around the world, and to talk the new peoples, and to make a new connection. Fourth one is that if we go outside, we take the new thoughts, the fresh thoughts in our mind, which keeps our mind healthy, and which also helps us to develop new thoughts, and the new thoughts which can help us to get a new connection with someone. Fifth one is that if we are having any social connection, so it will also help us, because when we are operating our phone, so while chatting with them, we get some knowledge from them, which is for example, if they are from another country, so they tell us something about their country, we tell something about our country, so like this.
That's all. It's and very good. So I'm just asking the 5 disadvantages of connections by Pardi. Yes.
So first one is that sometimes when we talk with our friends, so sometimes we talk for a very long time with our friends, so our time so because of that we cannot focus on our works, and that we cannot get too much time. And second is that if we have physical connections with our friend, and if we play with them, and like we are tired and the friend is forcing us to play more, so we play more, but we are very
discuss कर रहे हो.
but we are very tired, so sometimes we got injured because we are so much tired, and we are playing. And third one is that if we have in the physical connection we have some argument with someone, so that's a disadvantage. And fourth one is that sometimes with because of social connections, like people tells us something bad that happened with them, so we also we also became sad because of that. And fifth one is that in the physical connections, sometimes when we go somewhere, so if we are talking with someone and the bike is coming, so we cannot focus on the bike, and we got injured by the bike.
Okay. Just we we will conclude this topic connections. Actually, just you have to tell in the comment sections also. We will complete this video here. Okay, so actually in every person means every persons have different type of connections, and every persons have a different advantages and disadvantages of the connections. Okay, so just in the comment section you have to put the advantages of connections and disadvantages of connections according to your point of view. And please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. And actually if you connect with our channel, so this is the very valuable thing for you, and this is a very good connections for you. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.